If you want to use text-to-speech feature on Poco F8 UItra, first of all, you have to open the settings, scroll all the way down, and move into the additional settings. Then go to the accessibility, and you have to go into the vision. Now go to the select to speak feature. Make sure that you have turned it on by using this switcher. Scroll down and select allow. Now click that you've got it, and now click on this speaker icon. Now click and hold something and select like so. Now as you can see, it's gonna read this aloud, and that's basically everything. If you want to pause, you can click here. If you want to finish, you have to click here, and that's basically how it works. By going to the settings, you can change reading voice if you want. Over here you can also find option to read text on images, read in the background, and also you can change some settings like speech rate, pitch, language, and we can even change preferred engine, and for each option we can play a sound to test how it looks.